Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to a healthy and vibrant life. In today's video, we'll be diving into the amazing world of Brussels sprouts and sharing 5 compelling reasons why you should add these nutritious veggies to your diet. Get ready to discover the incredible benefits of Brussels sprouts and how they can enhance your well-being. So let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the nutritional powerhouse that Brussels sprouts are. These mini cabbages are loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C, K, and B6, as well as folate, fiber, and antioxidants. By incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet, you can nourish your body with a wide range of nutrients that support overall health and vitality. If you're looking for a nutrient-dense food to add to your plate, Brussels sprouts are an excellent choice. Moving up to number 4, we have the antioxidant power of Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain a variety of potent antioxidants, including chianferol, isothionates, and quercetinates, and quercetin. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. By incorporating Brussels sprouts into your meals, you're giving your body a boost of antioxidant protection. At number 3, we find the digestive benefits of Brussels sprouts. These cruciferous vegetables are rich in fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, supports regular bowel movements, and nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut. By including Brussels sprouts in your diet, you can promote digestive health and maintain a happy gut. If you're looking to support your digestive system, Brussels sprouts can be a delicious addition to your meals. Breaking into the top 2, we have the potential cancer-fighting properties of Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain compounds called glucosinolates, which are known for their anti-cancer effects. Glucosinolates are converted into active compounds during digestion, helping to protect against certain types of cancer such as colorectal, lung, and breast cancer. By including Brussels sprouts in your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards reducing the risk of cancer and supporting your overall health. And finally, at number 1, we have the versatility and deliciousness of Brussels sprouts. These veggies can be prepared in a variety of ways, from roasting and sautéing to steaming and even shredding them for salads. With their slightly nutty and sweet flavor, Brussels sprouts can be a delightful addition to any meal. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enjoy these delectable vegetables and experience their incredible health benefits. And there you have it, the top 5 reasons why you should add Brussels sprouts to your diet. From their nutritional value and antioxidant power to their digestive benefits, potential cancer-fighting properties, and versatility in the kitchen, Brussels sprouts are truly a remarkable vegetable with a host of benefits for your overall well-being. We hope this video has inspired you to give Brussels sprouts a try and explore the delicious and nutritious world they offer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness insights. Thank you for watching, and until next time, embrace the goodness of Brussels sprouts and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life.